I'm filming! Mommy, no, that's in the shot of the video. Can you just leave it outside for now, please? Mom,
Thank you. Thank you, Rosie.
Hey guys, it's Leela. Today I'm gonna be doing a unboxing first impressions of some Kylie products that I picked up. She did have a little sale over Memorial Day and you got a discount. I don't really remember what it was, but I decided to get some stuff. So I got my package. This is what it looks like. I did scratch out my info for security reasons. So I noticed that she's doing pink boxes now. I know she used to do black boxes. Those are the all the other ones I used to have. It used to have the dripping on the outside and stuff. But I think it was having security problems because people knew it was Kylie stuff. So now they're pink and they're really, I love this color. I think it's really cute. And then I'm gonna open it up. So when you open it, the first thing you see is the big Kylie letters. And it does have a gloss drip right here. I think it's super cute and very her. And I think it also matches all her skincare stuff, her new stuff. So I think it's pretty cool. So when you open up the box, it does have the little note that she always sends with all her stuff. And then all my products are right underneath. So this is what the card looks like. And then she always has a little her handwriting with her note on the back of it. So the products I picked up are, I got two of her High Glosses. I got the shade Snatch and I got the shade Slept On. I really looked through all of the shades because I wanted to buy them all, but I didn't. And then I picked up her brow gel because I really wanted to try it. I've been looking for a new one, so I decided to pick up the brow gel. And then I got products I've tried before, but these are, except for one of them, is new colors that I wanted to try. So I got her lip liner in Coconut, and then I got her other lip liner in Iced Latte. And then I got one velvet lipstick, which is in the shade Vibe. I love her matte lipsticks. I have a bunch of them. I have one of her velvet lipsticks and I actually really liked it, so I ended up picking up another one. The one I picked up is pink, and then this one is a brown shade. And then I've been using Coconut. I was almost finished with mine, so I got a new one. And then I wanted to try Iced Latte because it's a little bit of a shade difference. I don't really know if these are accurate swatches, but it's a little bit more of a brown. I figured it would go really well with this shade if this is, you know, accurate swatching. My first impressions with the packaging, I actually really like the High Gloss packaging. I love the glitter lips and the silver Kylie block letters. I think it's really, really cute. And considering her other packaging, I feel her same dripping lips were kind of getting old because she has them on every single lip kit that she puts out. So this is a really nice new idea that she came out with, and I really like it. And then for her new lip products, all the packaging is black, which I think is really cool. And then same thing, same block letters, and it's that matte background with the shiny lettering. I think this is really nice too. It looks really chic. And then her Kybrow stuff is all the metallic font, which I think is really cool too. Honestly, I've had pretty good experiences with Kylie Cosmetics, ordering with them. This was my fault, but I did send this package to the wrong address, so I had to go chase it down. The only thing is that she doesn't have a return policy, so if you end up ordering something and you don't like it, you're kind of stuck with it. You can't really do anything with it. So I'm really picky about what I order from her, because if I don't like it, you know, then I kind of just wasted my money. That's kind of how I feel with the brow gel. I only use, here, I'll show you. This is a mini version because I got it as a gift and a little kit that I bought, but it's the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's so good. It holds my brows in. They stay there all day, and it's very light. It's not I've tried the Anastasia brow gel. It's really crunchy. Once you put it on, it just you can see the hair pile up and it gets stuck together. I don't like that. This will just put the brow hairs where you brush them, and it just stays there. You can't tell it's on. So I really like this one. So I'm curious to see how this performs on my brows, because if it is that same kind of crunchy thing that the Anastasia does, I probably won't like it. But at the same time, I did get it on a deal, so it wasn't as expensive as the full size. Okay, we did have some we had some technical difficulties. I did film all the way through my brow swatches, or using the brow products, so I'm just gonna go back to where I was, and then will explain how I feel about the product once I'm through this part. Going back to pricing, my usual full-size 24-hour brow setter from Benefit retails for $24. You do get 7 milliliters, which is 0.23 ounces. The Kylie Brow Gel retails for $16. You do get 0.22 fluid ounces, which is 16.5 milliliters. If we compare that to my Benefit one, it actually is a really big price difference. My Benefit Brow Gel is $24. You get 17 milliliters or 0.23 ounces. So you actually get like 0.5 milliliters more for like $8 more. And it does have a different like bristle. It is longer on one side and then it's shorter on the other. I mean, I might as well just tell you how I feel now. I don't like the Kylie Brow Gel. I did use it already. I did it on this brow. If you can see, I might just like pull it forward. If you guys can see like right here, it does gather on my hair. So when I use like the gel, it kind of does the thing that Anastasia was doing, like I told you. It just like makes it crunchy and gathers all the hair together. Whereas on this side, I used the Benefit and it just kind of like puts all the hair, I only did one sweep, and it puts everything where it needs to be. Without making it look like gathered. So this for me is not Lila approved. I'm very picky with brow gel. Like that's one thing. Like my brow products, I only use Benefit. I don't use Anastasia. I don't use drugstore. I only use Benefit for my brows. So I really hope that this would work because of the price difference. But it looks like I'm still paying $24 for my brow gel. Okay, next we're gonna go on to the High Glosses. I'm really excited to try these. These retail for $16 each as well, and you do get 3 grams of product. Her old ones that I have right here, or I only have one of them. This is the old lip glosses that she had. These are the ones that are not super shiny. I had like, and I had literally, I think I have like the other one in my purse. But these ones retail for $15. You do get 0.9 ounces. The new ones you do get 0.11 fluid ounces. So you do get a little bit more. It is $1 difference. And then the packaging is actually different. So this is what they look like. So they're shorter, they're fatter, and then I did get, this is Snatched, the one that's like not sparkly. I got 2, and then this is Slept On. Yeah, Slept On. This is the one that's like the glittery shade. So let's try Snatched. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand first. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a nice pink. It's a little sheer, but it actually has a good amount of pigment to it, which is nice. So it's not gonna just be like, you know, like see-through. Ooh, the applicator's different. It has like a little, I don't know if you guys can see it, has a little like dip in the middle. So it picks up a lot of gloss, which is good. That way it distributes good on the lips. It smells so good. If you guys have ever owned any of her lip products, they literally smell like cupcakes. I love it. It's like vanilla cupcakes. I really like this color. It feels really good. It's not sticky. Like I don't get those lines. So one thing I will say, if you guys don't like a lot of fragrance in your makeup, might stay away from this. It's not super heavy, but it is gonna be right under your nose. So if you are sensitive to the way things smell, maybe pass on her like lip products. I know they all really smell very like sweet and vanilla, or if vanilla is really not your smell, like sweet, like that kind of stuff, maybe stray away from them. I really like this formula. It isn't too sticky. It doesn't, I mean, I've been smacking my lips together and it's not separating, which is really nice. I didn't want the color to like, you know, spread around. But yeah, so far I really like it. Okay, next is Slept On. This is described as a watermelon with gold shimmer. Oh, I expected this to be darker. I did expect this to be darker, but I kind of like that it's really subtle, so that way it's not so bright. I do like the glitter. You can't feel any like graininess from the glitter, which is good. I like this one too. So far we got 2 out of 3 that we like, which is good. Now I'm gonna go and try the lip liners. Funny enough, I never really thought lip liner was important until I started buying Kylie lip kits. And then you just realize like colors go on so much better and look so much nicer. She's actually stuck to like her original lip liner packaging, minus the fact that they just say Kylie Jenner now instead. I think I have like an old one right here. Gosh, this thing is so short. I've used so much of it. It used to say, you know, the name of the color and then say lip liner. Now it says Kylie Jenner, and then I don't even think the color's on the front. Oh, so it's Kylie Jenner, name of the shade, and then lip liner. This one says lip liner, and then it has it in like a different language. I think it's French. Love Rose. I don't really know how to speak French, so sorry. I am only going to try iced latte just because I have coconut already and I really like it. I just really want to see what this color looks like. I'm going to swatch them both on my hand just so you guys can see a difference. This one's like a smidge. Honestly, they look so similar. You know what? This one's just more brown. Coconut's a little more pink. This is iced latte, this is coconut. So this one's just like slightly more brown versus this one has just like a slight pink undertone. Now let's go in with the velvet. Oh, it is really orangey. It's pretty. Probably wouldn't use it until like October, but it's okay. I'm gonna swatch Vibe next to Pumpkin so you guys can see. Honestly, I feel like literally this is the velvet version of Pumpkin. Like she should have just named this Pumpkin Velvet Lip because it's literally like Pumpkin is slightly more orange, like barely, like not even, like they're pretty much the same color. So keep that in mind if you already have Pumpkin and you don't want, or you already have a shade that's kind of like that. You probably want to pass on this one because it's like identical, minus the fact that the formula is different. Otherwise, I do like it. I won't use it until like the fall, probably. It reminds me of Trendsetter a lot from Huda Beauty, which I already have too, and that's like a purse shade I have, minus the fact that it's not so pumpkin-y orange. Mine's more like neutral orange. So okay, so those are all the items I picked up from Kylie for her Memorial Day sale. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like and then subscribe and hit the little bell. You'll get notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one.